Welcome to Photoshop for Teaching and Learning. I'm Chris Mattia, and I've been using Photoshop creatively for over 20 years as a teaching, learning, and a research tool. Educational materials used in face-to-face, blended, and online courses rely heavily on images to explain concepts, demonstrate understanding, and enhance the usability of the materials. Now, it doesn't matter if you're the instructional designer, the teacher, or the student. You need a strong foundation in digital image literacy to be successful. And Photoshop is the ideal one-stop shop tool for all of these skills. Now, in this course, we're going to focus on cutting through the complexity of this powerful professional image editing tool and cut straight to the core tools that you need to know to be successful in both teaching and learning. We'll begin with the basics of image processing that everyone needs to know in order to fix common problems and enhance the look of your pictures so that you can tell your story better. We'll also dive into preparing a single picture and then batch process many more to quickly get all of your images ready with just a few clicks. There are lots of other skills to cover, and rather than talking about them now, let's just get started with Photoshop for Teaching and Learning.